Hey, good day, fellow carpet cleaners. It's Jeffrey with Howells Carpet Cleaning here, and I did what I felt was a pretty fair estimate sample of Magic Wand's carpet cleaning supplies here that I got together. And basically, what these will be are replacement similar products to what I'm already using. And I kind of had to laugh when this came in. This right here is Magic Wand's version of a SpotGard or a carpet protector, and what it is like a super concentrated formula that you just add this to like a gallon of water and you got a gallon of some pretty high concentrated carpet protector there. But I had to laugh because this is an order of a case. Have you ever seen a case that size before? I just had to point that out because I thought that was pretty funny. But as far as everything else goes here, I think I got a pretty good sample just to give this stuff a good try. And if it does everything that I think it's, claiming to be, then I've got myself a new product line to use. Okay, so due to observation, at first the cover protector, the spot guard that we put on the sock, repelled the water that came out of the faucet, and then it just began to overwhelm it and it began to saturate it. So it is kind of wet, right? It is pretty wet right now. But anyways, it just goes to show that this stuff actually works. It repels spills and things from sitting in the carpet so that you can go ahead and clean them up before they make a problematic issue.